So here we are on site today at a development in Coomera, and behind me what we can see is a 3 million litre megavolt system being installed. This system consists of 156 modules, equates to roughly 1,800 tonnes of concrete. At this stage we're about halfway through the entire system being installed, and taken roughly 4 days to get to this stage. So in about 8 working days we should be complete, have this system installed, ready for backfill by the civil contractor. Furthermore, on this development, up on the service station portion, what we've also got is a Spell Triceptor unit. This unit is used to capture hydrocarbons in the event of a spill. This unit is also plugged into another megavolt system, roughly 100 kilolitres. But inside this megavolt system is a filter bay area housing Spell filters, which is being used to treat for stormwater quality, so removing your phosphorus, your nitrogen and your suspended solids. Down on the main portion of this development we have 2 satellite Spell filter systems, which are then draining into this 3 million litre detention tank, which discharges from the site, council networks. Another Spell system that is being utilised on this site is the Spell Vault. This is a rectangular shoebox system, tank system precast, and this is being used as a rainwater reuse system, roughly 80 kilolitres. This megavolt system that you can see behind me alongside the one up on the service station, they are fully trafficable, located underneath car parks, and they are T44 load rated. I'd just like to give a shout out to Adco Constructions and the team here on site. Their professionalism has enabled Spell to install these units throughout the development and therefore protect the waterways. It's a testament to their culture from the top down, and we really look forward to working with Adco in the future.